This is a logical reasoning set, and difficulty level is from easy to moderate, and it is highly doable questions in exams. Set is the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 are placed in 10 slots of the following rates based on the conditions below. Condition 1, number in any row appear in an increasing order from left to right. Number in any column appear in a decreasing order from top to bottom. One is placed either in the same row or in the same column as 10. Neither 2 nor 3 is placed in the same row or in the same column as 10. Neither 7 nor 8 is placed in the same row or in the same column as 9. 4 and 6 are placed in the same row. And then we have a set of questions. Here we have a 5 questions. What is row number which has the least sum of number placed in that row, and which of the following statement must be true? Here there's also which statement must be true, and for how many slots in the grid placement of the numbers cannot be determined with certainty, and what is sum of the number placed in column 5. Let's see the solution. So here it is given that number appearing in any row are increasing from left to right. So whether this in each row numbers are increasing, like number are increasing in this row, right? And in any columns number are decreasing, like 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, 4, 3, 2, right? 6, 7, 8, or it's a 7, 6, 5. This is all about condition number 1 and 2. That numbers in row increasing and in column it is decreasing from left to right and top to bottom respectively. Now here the condition number 3 is one is placed either in the same row or in the same column as 10. So what about 10? See, the 10 is the biggest number, so 10 we cannot place here, we cannot place here, we cannot place here. Correct? Because 10 is the biggest number and the number in this row are in increasing order. Correct? So the only possibility of 10 here. And if same thing if I take in this column, if I'm taking 10 here, suppose I'm taking 10 here, then numbers are in a decreasing orders. We don't have any number greater than 10. So here what will you fill? You cannot fill any number if you are taking 10 here. So the possibility is 10 is only and only possible here. Okay. 10 is only possible in first row and column 4. And now 1 is placed either in a same row or in a same column. So 1 you can place here or here in the same row or in the same. But see, you cannot place 1 here. You cannot place 1 here because 1 is the smallest number. If you place 1 here, then you don't have any number in left to 1 to fill these cells. Or if you take 1 here, then you cannot place any number in this cell and in this cell because here the number are in a decreasing order, right? Here number are the increasing order. So I think it is very easy to decide that 10 is here and possibility of 1 is 2 here or here. Okay. Now, condition number 4, neither 2 nor 3 is placed in the same row or in the same column as neither 2 or 3 is same row. So 10 you decided. So this is a row of 10. So 2 and 3 cannot be placed. This is a column of 10. So 2 and 3 cannot be placed. So the possibility of 2 and 3, 2 here or here or here and 3 here, here. So it means any 2 cells of these 3 cells are going to be occupied by 2 and 3. Correct? Right. Now the condition number 5, neither 7 nor 8 is placed in the same row or in the same column as 9. Okay. So what about 9? See, 9 cannot be placed here. Okay. 9, possibility of 9 is only this because number in a row is in increasing order. So if it is 9, then 10, right? Or in decreasing order in a column, so here. The possibility of 9 is only here or here. Nowhere in any cell you can place 9. So this is about condition number 5. And the condition number 6, 4 and 6 are placed in a same row. 4 and 6 are placed in a same row. Okay. See, 4 and 6, we cannot take 4 and 6 this way. Why? The reason is very simple, because it is 2 and 3. If 4 is here, then this is going to 2 and it is going to 3. And if 3 and 4 is this, then it is in increasing order, which is against the rule number 2, that number in column is in decreasing order. So no possibility of taking 4 and 6 here. Correct. So now 4 and 6. Okay. So this is, let's do one. Fix 1 in any positions. Suppose I fix 1 at this position. Right? Then 1 is here. It's not other than. Assume करते हैं कि 9 is here. 9 is at this place. If 9 is here, I assume that 9 is here. So now see. If 9 is here, तो 7 and 8 यहाँ होने से रहे. 7 and 8 यहाँ नहीं होंगे. Right? 7 यहाँ और 8 यहाँ possible नहीं हो सकता. So यहाँ पर 8 हो सकते हैं. ओके, आप यहाँ पर 7 ले सकते हैं, राइट? या फिर 7 और 8 इस तरीके से 7 और 8 और 8 और 7. करेक्ट. So look at it. If I take this is 8 and 7. So 8 and 7 here, number is 8, then 7, 8 के नेक्स्ट नंबर 7 होता है, तो इस सेल का क्या करेंगे? ओके, आप कह सकते हो कि यहाँ पर 2 ले लीजिए सर, यहाँ पर 3 ले लेंगे. अब जैसे आपने 2 लिया 3 लिया, तो फिर क्या हुआ? 8 to 3 is decreasing, but 3 to 7 is increasing, which is against the rule number 2. It means 7 you cannot take here. If you cannot take 7 here, then okay, let us take 7 here. 7, 8, ये 10 है, ये 9 है, okay, ये 1 है. So 1, 7, 8, where you will bring 4 and 6? 4 and 6 not possible. The reason is very simple. I showed you. And 4 is 6 not possible. Suppose I take 4 here, 6 here. Then only this cell is left. And many times I repeated that 2 and 3, out of these 3 cells, 2 cells are occupied by 2 and 3, right? Like if I take here 2, then where you will place 3? Or if you place 3 here, then where will you place 2? So I think this is no possibility of taking 4 and 6 here also. Okay, what will you do? Very simple. Change it. That with taking 9 here. With this one. No combination is possible. Okay, so change the position of 9. Let us take 9 here. If I take 9 here and 1 is here, then 7 or 8 cannot be in this cell. 7 and 8 cannot be in this cell, right? 7 and 8 cannot be in this cell. Okay, 4 and 6, 4 and 6 cannot be here, because if you take 4, then 2 and 3 will here. This is against the rule. So 4 and 6 cannot be here. Then what will you do? Means no possibility. Because you can take, suppose you take 8 here, 7 here. Okay, 4 and 6, no place for 4 and 6. So now it is very easy to decide that with this one, 9 at this position or 9 at this position cannot make a combinations, right? So let us change the positioning of 1. Like 10 is here, and instead one I'm taking 1 at this place, right? And here 9 at this place or at this place. So again you can take, so assume that 9 is here. If 9 is here, then we cannot bring 7 and 8 here. 7 and 8 here we cannot bring, right? So what will you do? Okay, do this 7 and 8. 7 and 8 here. Then what about 4 and 6? 4 and 6 you cannot place here. If you take 4 here, 6 here, then 2 and 3, right? Many times I repeated, this is not possible. So 7 and 8, this position is not going to fulfill any combination. 7 and 8 here. But suppose you take 5 here, then 4 and 6 गड़बड़ करेगा. So means with this assumption that one is keeping fixed here and taking 9 here, no combination is possible. Then what you should do, take 10 and 1 and change the position of 9. Let us change the position of 9. Okay, it is 9. Then, you know, here it's a 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. 7 and 8 cannot be, 7 and 8 cannot be. So 7 and 8 can be here. Like 8 is this, 7 is this. 8 is this, 7 is this. 4 and 6, 4 and 6 not possible here. Correct? 4 and 6 not possible because 2 and 3. Only one cell is left. So, okay, it means 4 is here, 6 is here. Then one number 5. This number 5, condition is given. If you take 5 here, then it is 2, 3, 5. So 9, 3 is decreasing, but 3, 5 increasing. So this is wrong. Position of 5, you can do this way, like 5 is here, and then 2, 3 means it 2 here, then 3 here, or 3 here and 2. Correct. I think this is a final combination where we cannot decide position of 2 and 3 between these two cells, right? So let's see the final presentation. This is 4, 6, 9, 10, 8, 7, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. What is the row number which has the least sum of number placed in that row? So definitely this fourth row number is 1. So this least answer is 4th row. Okay. Which of the following statement must be true? 10 is placed in slot in row 1. Yes. Okay, it is right. 1 is placed in a slot in row 4. Yes. It is. So both are. Which of the following statement must be true? 2 is placed in a slot in column 2. No, 2 can be placed here and here also. 3 is placed in slot 3. No, 3 can be placed here and here. So neither statement 1 nor 2 should answer is. For how many slots in the grid, placement of the number cannot be determined with certainty? Definitely this slot and this. So answer is 3. What is sum of the number placed in column 4? In column 4, 10, 8, 18 plus 7 plus 26, 26. This is. So this is a solution of the set. It was a very, very doable question. And it was based on the numbers arrangement.